Remove the back cover and take out the SIM tray. Unscrew all the screws. Remove the phone frame. We turn off all the loops. We remove the front camera. Disconnect the coaxial wires. We remove the main camera and take out the board. We remove the battery. Next, peel off the display module. Clean the frame and apply glue. We leave the phone for 5 hours. We install the board in place. We connect the cable and coaxial wires. Glue the battery. Next we install the cameras. We put on the frame. Tighten the screws and apply glue. Glue the lid. We leave the phone for 5 hours. We insert the SIM tray and check the phone. Done. The phone is repaired.